Hello friends, welcome to Kadhai Grill. Today I will show you how to make Tava Fish Fry. I have used trout to make this dish, but you can choose to make this with most fish like rohu, katla or pomfret. The spices I use here are all very easily available in most kitchens. Mix the spices well and ensure that all the pieces are evenly coated with the spice mix. I prefer doing this with my hands as fish is a delicate meat to handle. I like giving my fish fry a bright red color, and hence I added Kashmiri chili powder, which enhances color but does not make this dish hot. I'm using a large cast iron tawa that I have for this dish. I heat up the oil in the cast iron tawa and start placing the fish one by one gently. After frying for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame, start turning the fish pieces so that they can fry on the other side too. After 10 minutes of frying on the second side, if you still want it more crispy fried, continue flipping the pieces on medium flame till you get the crisp you desire. And finally, garnish with fresh cilantro leaves. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy my videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.